With its bountiful farms, rugged mountains, spectacular parks, and endless miles of coast and beaches, nearly 40 million people love to call California home. But most of the water used in California comes from unreliable mountain snowpacks or from underground aquifers that are being depleted faster than they can be replenished, leading to shortages and an uncertain water future for the Golden State. WaterSeer implements a simple, affordable, sustainable technology that collects water directly from the air around us. Each unit collects clean, fresh water directly from the atmosphere. WaterSeer Technology channels air underground, where it cools the air and distills pure, clean water. WaterSeer's intelligent software monitors environmental conditions, and unique hydrostatic feedback controls ensure that WaterSeer devices collect the maximum amount of water while using the minimum amount of power. WaterSeer's low power requirement means that you can run it off the grid sustainably using solar power. Multiple WaterSeer devices can be linked in sequence to provide water for public parks and green spaces, roadway landscapes, commercial properties, residential communities, and retail developments, as well as vineyards, livestock, and agriculture, all of which make WaterSeer ideal for bringing water independence to California. WaterSeer devices sold in California support our mission to bring water security to the world. Every time the WaterSeer technology is purchased, a percentage of the proceeds go to provide WaterSeer technology to people in need around the globe. WaterSeer in California, made for each other. WaterSeer, pure and simple.